Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this type of error. Whom would you like to send your critical hours? If your iPhone is stuck on this type of error, then it means you have to force restart your iPhone. Okay guys, it's depending on which model are you using. Okay guys, now you can see here I have iPhone 8. So if you have iPhone 8 and later model, then you have to follow the process. So you have to tap on volume up button, and then you have to quickly release this one, and just simply tap on volume down button and quickly release it, and then you have to quickly tap on side button. So you have to tap side button until the Apple logo will appear. When Apple logo will appear, it means your device has been forced restarted, and after that I'll guarantee you your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.